In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a couple cases made by BLASON. One is the Armorbox case, which is a more protective case that kind of looks a little industrial. And then we also have the Cosmo SP cases that have more patterns on them. I'm going to let you know what my favorite case is, and by the end of this video, you'll know whether or not these cases are right for you. And if you guys do want to pick them up, I will be putting product links in the video description. So let's get started. And here we have BLASON's Cosmo SP case. So this is the Cosmo SP case in a checker. I also have a couple other cases that do have some different patterns. And this year they've included a camera cover as well that also doubles as a kickstand, which I absolutely love. It's also got a built-in screen protector as well, so your phone is protected front and back. Let's see how much this case weighs. 71 grams. Now, because this has a built-in screen protector, before we begin, you want to clean off your screen really well. Once you clean off your screen, you're going to want to peel off the inner protector and remove this little portion that says peel off, but try not to touch the inner portion of the screen. Then take this whole thing, put it over your phone, press it into place. You can rub down this little fingerprint sensor portion right here because we don't want any bubbles there. Then take this whole piece, place it inside the outer portion of the case. Just press it into place. And then peel off the top layer. We can also peel off the back layer of the case too. And there you go. Feels really nice in the hand. It does have some grip to it. Buttons are easily pressable, nice and clicky. And if you take a look at the case from the side, you can see that it does have a raised edge all the way around the phone screen for protection there. It's also got some extra protection in the corners. We have our lanyard hole in the corner here. We have our cutouts on the bottom. You can very easily access your S Pen. We have our power button and our volume buttons on the other side. On the back, it's got that checker pattern. It looks pretty cool. We also have this camera ring that is made of plastic, but it's very sturdy, and you can just open it up like that. It's got some nice soft felt here to keep your camera lenses nice and safe, and it's very sturdy. Even though it's made of plastic, it's really solid and it stays in place. But we also have a very good sized ring that's raised above the camera lenses for protection there. So if you happen to just leave this open, your camera lenses will be protected if you happen to put your phone on its back. And like I mentioned before, you can also use this as a kickstand, whether it be in a landscape or you can even use it in a portrait mode. And then when you're done, you just simply close it up just like that. Very nice case. You can also use this with regular wireless charging. Now, as you can see, the screen does pick up some fingerprints, but you can very easily just wipe those away. The screen is nice and clear. As far as touch, it's somewhat smooth, but there is some resistance when you run your finger over it because it is plastic. It does have a cutout for your camera and your speaker grills. Let's test out our fingerprints. Fingerprints seem to be working. Yep. Fingerprints work fine. If you have problems with your fingerprints, just re-register them and maybe turn up the sensitivity for the display and you shouldn't have any problems. You can also easily access the bottom here if you need, or the top. No problem, touch working perfectly fine. And then if you use polarized sunglasses, let's see what that looks like. So as you can see, the screen is pretty clear, doesn't really have any rainbow effect, but the little sensor, the fingerprint sensor, does look like a hologram. So let's test out our S Pen, but I will tell you that if you don't have fingernails, it's a little difficult to get the S Pen out. So the S Pen seems to be working just fine on the screen, but there is a good bit of resistance. It kind of feels like you're writing on like really fine sandpaper. I don't particularly like that because it's not glass. There's a good bit of resistance. So that's a pretty nice protective case. I really love the fact that they included a camera cover this year because that definitely adds some features and protection to your phone. We also have that same case in a marble color. This one has MagSafe built in, and it's got that same camera cover, but it's got like a pink accent for this. Now for the MagSafe, if you're not using a little puck, but you happen to have a power bank like this, if you put it on here, it has to be kind of off center, just like this, because of the way that the camera cover comes down. If you were to put it over like this, it's not really going to fit on the case, and there's like this huge gap, so it's going to have to be put in like this. But the magnet is on there pretty good, and it will still charge your phone. It's just not going to be able to be put on there straight. And then here is the other case called Blue Fly. It's got the butterfly pattern, and again, it's got the MagSafe built in with the silver camera cover. And just like the marble, if you have a MagSafe power bank like this, you're going to have to put it on kind of at an angle for it to fit properly and charge your phone. And then here we have BLASON's Armorbox Case. This is definitely my favorite case. It also comes in different colors in case you don't like the green, but this has a MagSafe ring built in. It looks kind of industrial. It's got the carbon fiber inlay. We also have this camera cover that is made of metal. It's also got the soft felt on the inside, and it's got a built-in screen protector as well. It's super protective, very reinforced in the corners, so if you happen to drop your phone, it's definitely going to be protected. So again, because this does have a built-in screen protector, you want to make sure you thoroughly clean off your screen really well. Then peel off the protector from the inside and peel off this little piece here. Then just place this over the top of your phone and press it into place. Make sure there's no bubbles over the fingerprint sensor. Then take this whole piece, put it inside the outer layer. Then you can remove this protective top layer. And there we go. Feels really nice in the hand. It's got some like smooth rubber feel to it with some texture. Buttons on the side are very easily pressable and clicky. As you can see, the corners are very reinforced for drop protection. If you look at the side, you can see that there's a raised edge all the way around the front of the phone. And it does add some extra bulk to the phone as well, but it's very protected. We have that texture on the side for grip. We have our covered charging port on the bottom here, so no dust or anything will get in there. You can also easily access your S Pen. On the other side, we have that same texture with our power and our volume buttons. And if we take a look at the back, again, it's got that industrial type look with the MagSafe ring and that metal camera cover. The nice thing about that is you can also fold it flat against the case and it's not protruding out from the side like some other cases I've reviewed. It's also got a very prominent raised edge around your camera lenses, so it also has a very prominent camera ring all the way around your camera lenses, so if you don't close the cover, your camera should still really be protected. Now the only thing with this case is if you're going to use MagSafe and you have a power bank like this, you're going to have to put it on an angle for it to work properly. So if I put this on the back of the phone, kind of like this, it does kind of hold in place, but as you can see, it's not flush and it kind of moves around. So if you want to fit this properly, to have it hold strong on your case, you're going to have to put it like this, and it will still charge your phone. But it's going to have to be kind of off at an angle because of the way that the camera lenses are. But it's still got a really super strong hold. Your MagSafe accessory is not going to come off. It's really nice. And you can also use the camera cover as a kickstand. So if you put your phone down in a landscape, you can watch YouTube, and you can also use your phone in a portrait mode as well. My phone just fell, but if you put it properly, you can use your phone in portrait mode as well. It just kind of has to be in the middle. You can also use it the other way around, so it's kind of angled more towards your face too. Again, like I said, this is my favorite case. If you want the best protection, I would recommend the Armorbox, but the Cosmo series does also protect your phone pretty good too. So that's the Armorbox and Cosmo SP cases for the brand new Galaxy S24 Ultra. Again, I will be putting product links in the video description if you guys want to pick these up. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Like I mentioned before, I love the fact that they've incorporated the camera covers into the Cosmo SP cases because it just adds more features and protection, as well as the MagSafe. So if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.